Hi, it's Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo clamp base roof rack system for the 2017 and beyond Honda Ridgeline with a bare roof. The system includes three components: the Thule Evo clamp foot pack set of 4, and the Thule WingBar Evo load bars set of 2, offered in either silver or black, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit. Let me go over some of these components in detail, starting with the fitting kit. The fitting kit will include a set of 4 of the rubberized metal door frame brackets and a set of 4 of the contoured rubber bases. These two parts will have numbers assigned to them, which are noted in the instruction sheet that's included with the fit kit. And then these are attached to the foot by pulling off the cover. We've already attached the decal that's included with the fit kit that will help to identify which foot. So this will be for the front left position. So in the instruction sheet, it'll say which rubber bases go with the front left position, and then you would just press those to the bottom around the perimeter of the pivoting plate to hold that rubber in place. And then the door frame bracket just clicks into place. Now, within the foot, you can see these 2 silver tabs. Those silver tabs, when you press those in, that allows you to slide your WingBar Evo load bar onto the top of the foot. So let's do that now. This is the WingBar Evo load bar. We've got this cut down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. There's a dedicated track along the top. When this is installed, you can access that track just by pivoting the end cap. Now this allows access to the track to where you can install the hardware, and then you can mount certain accessories directly to the top of the bar, giving you a clean, integrated attachment method and being able to utilize the full length of the bar. Okay, so let's go ahead and install that foot onto the bar. I'll just press the tab and pull off the end cap. And then you can see here we have a slot. At the bottom of the slot, we've installed the measuring device. Now, the measuring device has numbers which correspond again to the instruction sheet, and you can set that to ensure that you've positioned the foot correctly on the bar. So we'll go ahead and do that just by pressing in on that tab and then slide the foot into place and then bring it down to the beginning of that measurement tab, as you see there. Now you'll notice we have some exposed track. We want to cover that up with the rubber that is included with the load bars. So you just press that rubber into place, and then that'll fill in the gap, giving a smooth airflow under the bar. Now we can put the end cap back into place. Okay, once you get to this step, it would be time to tighten the fastener here. And so the tool that's included with the foot pack has a unique handle to it. As you get to the full tightness, the handle clicks, and that indicates you've tightened the rack fastener here sufficiently. Okay, next we can go ahead and put the cover back into place. Included with the foot pack is a plastic plug. You just give that a quarter turn, and that'll hold that plastic cover in place. Now you do have the option to replace that plastic plug with a Thule lock cylinder. So these cylinders are sold in match sets. A set of 4 would lock all 4 of your towers for your roof rack. You can buy a set of 6 or a set of 8, or even order additional lock cylinders so that not only your roof rack matches, but also all your various carriers and accessories match onto the system as well, so that you can operate everything with just one key. Okay, so those are all the key features of the Thule Evo clamp base roof rack system for the 2017 and beyond Honda Ridgeline with a bare roof. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the links in our video description for complete details on this system, as well as all your buying options. And we also have a link to a more in-depth installation video to help assist when it comes time to fully install this rack system. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.